there's your problem. Oh yeah. Those are toasted. So this heat's just oppressive. As a race, the 2024 Lost Elephant over its 480 kilometers and staggering 10,485 meters of elevation gain, I wondered if I was getting too old for bikepack racing.
Good luck, everybody!
We're on the first climb. There goes Jeff, pulling away. Last time I'll see him. Here's my second place. It's getting warm already and it's only like 9 in the morning. Hike a bike is my future for a while. I've had some respectable times in the past, but at 51, I know that the chances of me being at the pointy end of the race are getting slim. What's the point of being out here if there's little chance of a podium finish? There you go, 41.9. It's hot. Just breathe the bug. I'm still just making my way through. I trudge along. There's another fellow, guy named Phil, I guess. I've never met him, but a lot of people knew who he is, or know who he is. And I guess he is bombing down after, you know, the highest point on the trail. It was pretty steep and rocky and pretty gnarly. And I guess he maybe caught some sand or something and crashed pretty hard and probably fractured some ribs and maybe broke his collarbone, his clavicle. Might have a concussion. His helmet was all smashed up, I guess. So they actually called in Stars. They called in the helicopter to come pick him up. Had a bit of a crash. If you can see that. A little scrape on my knee. A little scrape on my arm a little bit. My shoulder feels kind of crunchy and weird, so hopefully that's okay. All right, 12:30 roughly, first night. I'm gonna set up my bivvy and sleep for probably about 3 hours or so. My bedtime. So I slept in my sole bivvy last night. Slept really well. Managed to find a flat spot on the rocks in the moss. Yeah, wake up to a nice hike-a-bike in the morning. Shoulder still feels tender, so I'm hoping that settles down. Morning, dear. My shoulder's kind of killing me a little bit. Hurts to move it around and do anything. But we'll push through. We'll make it. This course was hard. As I experienced the heat, a crash, sleep deprivation, I wondered, what's the point? Why am I out here pushing this hard? So this heat's pretty oppressive. We got 47.6. Yeah, it's slow going. I gotta take breaks because I'm so hot and so tired of walking. It is better than pouring rain, I guess. sun setting on day 2. Good morning. So, went through the night, followed the route. Yeah, feeling pretty tired. Oh yeah, those are toasted. So this heat's just oppressive. Just keep plowing along, only got 35k to go. As I rode along, sometimes without the riders, I discovered a valuable lesson. Age has nothing to do with it. The ride itself is something to be cherished. Going faster than the next person might be your goal, and it's fun to be competitive. But just as important, it's about being in nature, challenging yourself against crazy hard courses like this, and enjoying the company of like-minded people, no matter how fast you go. These events bring us Dumbos in one place and gives us that opportunity to ride these ridiculous courses together. What a blessing we have to ride with others through fantastically beautiful country, knowing that everyone is experiencing the same challenges. It should not matter if you come first or last. What matters is the ride, the people, and the experiences.
Nice job! You're welcome.
We have a band and everything. That's awesome. Thank you.